The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, northern Greene County, western Clark County, southern Champaign County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near downtown Dayton, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, half dollar-size hail. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Vandalia, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Tip City, Troy, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, New Carlisle, Springfield, St. Paris. In addition, Overlook Page Manor, Riverside, Trebayne, Dayton International Airport, Ginghamsburg, Old Town, Thornton, and Brant are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 26 and 58, Interstate 75 between mile markers 53 and 77. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now